I'm ripping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? Alright, y'all, so today's video, man, got a pack for the Cutlass, man. Let's get into it. I'm bringing y'all over here to this side of the garage. Don't really never get no love. You can see I've been clearing up a space where I can walk, so that's helpful. Very, very helpful. Yeah, man, got this box. I ordered it for the Cutlass. I was just seeing this inside. 2 pounds, all the way from New York. I don't know, this. Everybody. Alright. Go back over here. I can just flip the camera now. I unbox it on the camera and do it like that. Cause this is tripping. Alright, so as you can see, ripping the box open. Inside of the box, 2 smaller packages. Let's see, boom. I have to adjust that brightness down because that's pretty bright. But I know we can't control in post. So these are, ta-da, the handles. These are handles for the Cutlass I've been looking for. One for the driver's side. And it was in a set, so I went ahead and copped them both. So one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. Looks like they're riveted. They're riveted onto this metal piece here, and then from there, yeah. So they riveted onto the metal piece, and then from there they either screw or like kind of hook off into the door. Got these little clamps or whatever. Now the ones that I got on the car already, which is the only one that was on it when I got it. I'll take a closer look. It does have, see, so this one right here is the passenger side. So this other one is the driver's side. And that's the one that we need to be in the game. See if I can back y'all up so I can get y'all in the shot. So as you can see, those are they're riveted to here, but then they screw into the door, it looks like. So it'll be something to the effect of this. Get us 4 screws, and then we'll actually have a pull strap. Now, I have not found the armrest yet. If y'all know where I can find an armrest for this thing, y'all let me know. I know them G-body parts, for whatever reason, this is not like your standard Cutlass. I think this is the style of the 442s, but they in here. Maybe something about the year, RPO code, or something like that. Cause a lot of Cutlass had that straight bar cross, but my pull straps is like this. So if I can just find, like I said, now that I found these, the last and only thing that I need is gonna be the armrest. And I mean, I'm really not tripping on the armrest as long as I got some way to pull and close the door. Cause right, for the time being, I just been rolling the window down and grabbing the whole door and doing it like that. But with this, get that installed. Don't have the covers, but like I said, I'm really not tripping, man. As long as I got a way to, you know what I'm saying? Everybody keep deeming this a race car anyway, you know what I'm saying? Race car don't even need no straps, you know what I'm saying? I could have saved this money and spent it on something else, like some, I don't know, some go fast parts, you know what I'm saying? But it was something that I seen, I wanted, I grabbed it, and so here we are. So like I said, let me know if y'all find that bumper, not bumper, this armrest, you know what I'm saying? Ain't even gotta be the same color, you know what I'm saying? They make dye spray for that, and we can get it together. But yeah, man, eBay, you can run across some good looks, but you can also get your head bust, man. So be careful when you buying from them people on eBay, man, so they don't crush your head and everything like that, man. So till the next time, man, it's your boy LQ4. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go on.